Yesterday, Tamil Nadu witnessed something unusual. Actor turned political leader Vijay, the head of TVK, stood on stage and delivered one of his boldest speeches yet. And at the heart of his speech, a scam so shocking that even the Enforcement Directorate called it one of the biggest lootings of a natural resource in Tamil Nadu's history. Yes, Vijay openly spoke about the 4,730 crore sand mining scam. Let's break down the scam first and see why Vijay's comments have suddenly turned up the temperature in Tamil Nadu politics. The ED's investigation revealed that across 28 sand quarry sites in Tamil Nadu, just 3 men allegedly control the entire mining business. S. Ramachandran, K. Rathinam, P. Karigalan. Tender rules were allegedly manipulated so that only companies linked to these three won every major sand mining contract. According to a Japanese excavator manufacturer, all 223 excavators sold in Tamil Nadu since 2011 were bought by firms connected to just one of these men. A monopoly that went on for more than a decade. The ED attached 209 excavators worth Rs 128 crore and seized money from 35 bank accounts used by the group. Back to 2023, during major raids on 12th September, ED seized 2.33 crore in cash, gold worth 56.86 lakh, 12.82 crore frozen, fake receipt, bogus QR codes, diaries showing illegal sales, evidence of Binami companies. This wasn't just corruption. It was an industrial-scale siphoning of Tamil Nadu's resources. A former engineer-in-chief of the Water Resources Department told the ED that all 15 contractor firms were actually Binami companies, secretly owned by the same three masterminds. Meaning fake competition, fake tenders, fake documentation, massive overmining. And shockingly, ED says certain officials from the Water Resources Department colluded with them, allowing the gang to mine for above the permitted limit, causing both ecological destruction and financial loss. Into this already explosive situation walks Vijay. At his public meeting yesterday, Vijay took direct aim at the scam without naming individuals but attacking the system. He said things like, when 3 men can loot thousands of crores worth of sand, what does it say about our governance? Why is a natural resource belonging to the people being handed over like a personal property? Why do farmers struggle for sand for construction while crores are looted freely? Vijay used the sand scam as a symbol of what he calls systemic corruption, bureaucratic collusion, and a failure of political leadership. And this is exactly why his speech is trending. Because Vijay didn't just talk about corruption, he picked the biggest, most documented scam of recent times and asked the question that many are afraid to ask publicly: who allowed this to happen? Vijay's entry makes the story more explosive for 3 reasons. The scam is proven, documented, and backed by ED records. The moment Vijay quoted the scam, it gained more public attention because the evidence is real and solid. Cash, gold, machines, Binami companies, seized accounts, everything is real. It connects with ordinary people. Everyone in Tamil Nadu knows the struggle of buying sand, shortage, black market, high prices. When Vijay linked this everyday pain with a 4,730 crore scam, the message hit homes. It positions Vijay as someone willing to talk about big corruption, not just soft issues. This is his first major public attack in large-scale systemic corruption, a sign that TVK may be gearing up for a more aggressive political role. So, today's political landscape looks like these. ED is investigating a massive scam involving 3 men allegedly controlling 28 sand sites. Officials from the Water Resources Department are under scrutiny. Thousands of crores worth of sand was illegally mined. Evidence includes cash, gold, fake receipts, and Binami forms. And today, Vijay brings the issue to the public stage, demanding accountability. For years, this scam was buried in court files, ED press notes, and newspaper columns. But today, Vijay's speech has brought it to the center of Tamil Nadu's political conversation. This story is no longer about sand. It's about governance, it's about accountability, it's about the future of Tamil Nadu. 3 men allegedly looted a natural resource for years. Today, a new political voice is asking, where are the protectors of the people? Who let this happen? With ED tightening the investigation and Vijay amplifying the issue, the sand mining scam is no longer a hidden operation. It has become a political earthquake, and Tamil Nadu is watching what shakes next. So stay tuned and subscribe to File In Media for more political updates.